Hey everyone! In this guide, I'm going to show you how to organize your entire personal life inside one ClickUp setup using a super simple hierarchy. This is the 2026 version, and once you build this structure, everything from goals to errands stays in one place. So let's jump right in. First thing, you want your own dedicated personal space. On the sidebar, click the plus icon next to spaces and name it something like Personal HQ. Inside that space, we're going to make three simple folders: life admin, projects, and goals. That's it. Really clean, not overwhelming. Now inside each folder, add a few lists. In life admin, put things like errands, bills, and household. In projects, add a list for each personal project you're working on. And in goals, create lists like quarterly goals or yearly vision. For personal tasks, keep your statuses simple: to do, doing, and done. You don't need complicated workflows for your personal life. Then add custom fields like priority, due date, energy level, or budget. These help you sort tasks depending on how your day feels. Next, build a personal dashboard. Add widgets for overdue tasks, a weekly calendar, maybe a habit tracker. It becomes your little command center. One trick I love is favoriting your most important lists so they always sit at the top of your sidebar. And don't forget the everything view. Filter by due date or priority, and you'll instantly see what matters today versus later. And that's it. That's how to organize your personal life in one simple ClickUp hierarchy for 2026. Keep it clean, update it a little each day, and it becomes your digital home base. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.